The Bentley software documentation page has a new AI assistant that quickly scans documents to find whatever it is that you are looking for. To access this tool, simply click the blue icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to open the assistant. In order to provide the most relevant answer, the assistant will ask you to choose a brand. We will select MicroStation. Then we will choose our product, also MicroStation. Lastly, you will choose the version that is applicable for your question. We will leave the default selected, which is the latest version. Once this is complete, we will type in our example question. How do I attach a coordinate system to my project? Click the Send button to send a message to the assistant. Note that the assistant works with any language. After thinking briefly, the assistant will provide a thorough response, including a step-by-step process complete with images, as well as attached notes and reference documents. As you can see, the instructions accurately reflect the true process in MicroStation. Clicking the link under any section will pull up the document from which the information was taken, as you can see here. This way you can easily verify information and access more details on the topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up with MicroStation news.